Today we're taking a look at the UV flow line of fixtures by Light Progress. These are upper air fixtures that use germicidal ultraviolet energy to disinfect the air within spaces and create a cleaner environment. One of the most important things when installing the UV flow fixture or any other upper air fixtures like what I have behind me is ensuring that the installation is done properly to ensure that anyone who comes in or out of the space is kept safe from any harmful germicidal ultraviolet energy. Let's take a look at the UV flow fixture and how we install the lamp once we're ready to install this in a space. I'm wearing gloves to protect the lamp from any oils on my skin and to make sure that that 18,000 hour lamp life on the lamp that comes with this unit is maximized. The way that this fixture opens, there's a screw on the side, a thumb screw, that we can remove from each side of the fixture, and then the unit swings open. So if this were on the wall, the front part of the fixture would simply swing down and stay connected to the unit. There are a couple of lamp protectors on the side here. And you'll notice there's also a plastic cover over the back of the reflector in this unit. Now this reflector is very important for directing the UVC energy out the front of the fixture. So before we install this, we'll remove the plastic protector from the fixture. So now we have the sockets exposed. We have the reflector shield or protector removed from the back of the unit. What we'll do is grab the lamp, and it's important to not touch the lamp with your hands, as I mentioned before. We'll slide these protectors on the side and then slip this into the sockets, and this will turn 90 degrees and give a click once it's properly seated. And then we can screw these protectors back down. And then replace the front of the unit and place the screw back on the side. At this point, our UV flow fixture has the lamp installed and is ready to go. Again, it's important to follow any manufacturer guidelines for installing this unit in a space to ensure that everyone is safe as the unit is operating. We've mounted the UV flow fixture on the wall behind me about 7.5 feet above the ground. And again, what this fixture does is it creates this zone of germicidal ultraviolet energy in the upper portion of the room that deactivates any pathogens as the air in this room mixes and floats into that space. What I'd like to do next is take a radiometer that measures the germicidal UVC energy being produced by this fixture. And we're going to measure a few different spots in this room. One of the most important measurements is holding the sensor around where people would be and placing it in different orientations and different directions. And I'm getting a 0 on my radiometer, showing that there's no germicidal UVC energy in this zone where I would be. Now, if I hold this further up, well above my head in the zone that is created in this room to disinfect the air, then we'll start to get a reading. And so right about here, I just start to enter into that disinfection zone, and I'm getting 10 microwatts per square centimeter. If I went a little bit higher, that reading would go up, and then back down to 0 while I'm down at this level. What this shows us is that this fixture is doing an effective job at putting that germicidal UVC energy in the upper portion of the room to disinfect the air while keeping anyone who's in the space safe. Again, this is the UV flow fixture by Light Progress. This is an upper air application, which means that it's safe for applications where people will be in a space, and it's also a great way to use germicidal ultraviolet energy to disinfect the air in a space.